Hello everyone, this is Jagtar Shergill from the School of Gratitude. Today my topic is who I am. A lot of people are struggling with this question. When we are born, we were a child, then we grown up, become adult and got education, then we got a job, then we got a different title, then we get old and we have different title as a retired persons. So many people align themselves with what they achieve in life, their degrees or their occupation. Somebody say I'm doctor or engineer or I'm a businessman or I'm a father or husband or mother, any title you can give them or associate with. But who I am, who are you? That's the question many people struggle with when they're asked again to think who they are. Sometimes you think I'm sad or I'm happy, and we are happy if we think what happiness is other people approve of, or sometimes we think who we are what other people think we are. So who we are, sometimes we think that this is my hand, my legs, my body, or this is my home, my name, who I am, Jagtar Shergill. This is the name given by my family. It's not who I am. So you are a spiritual being. When you have problem with your hand, sometimes doctor cut your hand and you are okay to cut your hand as long as you survive. So this hand is not you. This body is not you. It's something inside. Spiritual being. Human is spiritual being. And spirit never dies. And God lives in every one of you. And God is never angry, never mad, never sad. And you can achieve your happiness by looking inside of you, not from outside. So once you start looking inside and appreciating that God is within you, you are a spiritual being, you will be more calm and you will be more happy. That's what I'm trying to realize, and spirituality. So once you are into spirituality and think deeper and look into who you are, and not look happiness from outside but from inside, then we can have better understanding of who we are. People curse Jesus. They said he's considering himself God, or he's saying my father. He's saying that his father is God, so that he put himself more close to God. So they curse him. But he said, I also said God is within you also. So when we say God is within everyone, then everyone is equal. But we still define ourselves or other people by the status they got in society, by how much money they have, how many homes they have, or what kind of degree or title they have. So then when we see that we don't have same title as other people, you think they are happy and you think that you don't have it, so you don't feel happy and you feel sad. That's the main problem. Once you start looking inside that God is within you, you are a spiritual being, and you should be happy with all what you have so far and all the situations you're going through, and you control your mind and align yourself with God, with whoever you believe in, whichever religion you are, you align yourself with Almighty God, spirituality, and you will get inner peace. That's my thoughts. I hope you agree with it, or you think more about spirituality and align yourself with God. And once you align with God, and your life will be wonderful. So that's my message. I hope you like it, and until next video, I'll say thank you very much for watching, and God bless you.